So we got this situation. The sum of all rational terms in the expansion of this. Okay. So we have term as 1 plus 2 power 1 by 2. No, it's not 2 power 1 by 2. It is 2 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, now it will become very easy question. Okay. So this is, and you have to find out the rational term, sum of rational term. We have solved these kind of questions in previous classes. Rational terms, irrational terms. Okay. So right now you know how many terms we will have. We will have 6, means we will have 2, 8c2. Okay, 8c2 terms will be there. Some of them will be rational, some of them will be irrational. So let's find out the rational cases. So for rational, I'm assuming 6 factorial by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, 1 power a, 2 power b by 3, and 3 power c by 2. Okay, now look at this. A, B, C. So let's take some values. So what I'll give minimum to C, minimum to B, then we have 6 on A. Okay, this is one of the case. Now I will give even number to C, multiple of 3 to B, and so on. Okay, so suppose I want give first even number as 0. Now I have to give multiples of 3 to B. So we can give 3, we can give 6. Okay, so if this is 3, we will have 3 over here, and here we will have 0. Okay, so I think C is enough with zeros. Now I'll give C to 2. So if C is 2, again we have to give multiples of 3. So we can have 0, we can have 3, we can have 6. Look, we cannot have 6. If we will have 6, no, the sum will go beyond 6, because max to max sum of a b c could be 6 only. So this case is invalid. Okay, now we have 6 and 0, so this thing will become 4 and this thing will become 1. So for 2 we will have 2 cases. Now let's give other case 4. So suppose this is 4. Now you know that you can give 0, you cannot give 3 because it will become 7, so it is wrong case, and you cannot go beyond. So this is the case, and here a will become 2. Now, so done with 4. 4 will also have only one case. Now think about C as taking 6. So if C will take 6, it will take 0, it will take 0. Done. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 7 cases. Okay, now look at this. Required sum. Required sum. Now you have to replace A, B, C with the each element. So 6 factorial by first case as 6 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial. A is 6, 2 power 0, 3 power 0, plus second case would be 6 factorial, 3, 3, 0, 1 power 3, 2 power 3 by 3 1, and 3 power 0, plus next would be 6 factorial, and then 0, 6, 0, then 1 power 0, 2 power, it is 6 by 3, so it is 2, and then 3 power 0, plus we have, okay, third case is done. Now we will go with fourth one. So 6 factorial by 4 factorial, 0 factorial, 2 factorial. So 1 will take 4, 2 will take 0, and 3 will take 1, 2 by 2. Okay, done. Now let's go with the next case. 6 factorial by 204. So 2 factorial, 0 factorial, 4 factorial. So it is 1 power 2, 2 power 0, and 3 power 2. Now we have the last case as 6 factorial by 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 6 factorial, 1 power 0, 2 power 0, and 3 power 3, because 3, 6 by 2 will become 3. You have to add everything, you will get things done. I hope you got the idea and you can handle similar situation. Please mark this question as one of the important question. Okay, you can have this kind of question in your upcoming examinations. Okay.